The tires on your bandsaw both provide traction to drive the blade and work with the tracking assembly to keep the blade tracking down the center of the wheel. Both the top and bottom wheels on your bandsaw use a tire. The tires are made of a durable rubber compound. Eventually the tire will harden, which can lead to cracking. The tire can be damaged by over-tensioning the blade or debris from the material that you are cutting. Replacing the tires on your bandsaw is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the blade from the bandsaw. First, I'll pull the table alignment pin, then the table insert. I'll loosen the tension on the blade. And now I can pull the blade away from the tires. Now I can remove the old tire, and the easiest way to do this is to just simply cut it away from the wheel. Now I can install the new tire. I'll place it around the bottom of the wheel first. Then as you can see, the new tire seems quite a bit smaller than the wheel, and this is normal. You will need to stretch it onto the wheel. A trick you can use is to soak the tire in hot water. That'll make it more pliable and easier to work around the wheel. Once it's around the wheel, I'll push it back into the groove and make sure that it's sitting down in the groove all the way around the wheel. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the blade.